Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2024 Honda CR-V EXL Hybrid. Coming in this nice dark blue coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2-liter hybrid engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities. And taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, rear park sensing, backup camera, roof spoiler. Got these nice blacked out rims on this vehicle with silver and black trim. We do get turn light indicating mirrors, blind spot detection. We also do get a lovely remote start on this vehicle, which is perfect for the cold winter months. Front park sensing, license plate bracket, and that nice Honda grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. You can get a cargo area protector with the CR-V logo. You do get your normal storage below as well, which is pretty handy. 12-volt lights, hooks, and doodads. And you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. To close, all you have to do, hit that down, and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather, orange stitching interior, plenty of door space in the back. We got heated back seats, floor mats, carpet interior, 2 USB-Cs with rear vents, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, memory seat for up to 2 drivers, liftgate lights, traction, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 45,728 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control right here. We got paddle shifters, playback, play forward, volume, toggle for your screen, and voice. And looking here, you can go for your audio, phone, navigation, driving attention, all-wheel drive, maintenance, seatbelts, and all that fun. To my right, we got our gear select with your drive modes, hill, parking brake, brake hold, cup holders, and storage. Got your center console here as well with tons of storage, wireless charging with some more storage, USB-C, and a 12-volt. Climate controls with dual climate, heated front seats, little vent adjusters just right here, hazard storage below. Above me, we do get our features for our little sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And look at here, we got a nice looking infotainment system with your audio that has AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. We're going to go home real quick. You can have your apps, phone, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, PowerFlow, since this is going to be a hybrid engine, Honda Link, clock, system updates, display mode, smart shortcuts, all that jazz, volume, and we're going to go into our apps real quick. Bluetooth, clock, SiriusXM, trip, vehicle settings, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8278, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.